van BC. But another way to have asked this is to just give you the diameter and not give you that side CD is 2x. Because if that diameter is 2x, then it means that that side of the rectangle must also be 2x. Does that make sense to you guys? I'll say it again. If they give you that the diameter is 2x, en daai sirkel sit mos van die een kant van die reghoek na die ander kant van die reghoek toe, dan beteken dit daai kant van die reghoek moet ook 2x wees. Sien julle dit? Okay, maar in die geval het hulle dit in elk geval vir jou gegee. So, dis nie so moeilik nie. Okay. Nou sê hulle vir jou BC is 100 mm en CD is 2x en hulle gee vir jou dat pi 22/7 is. Remember, if they don't give it to you, you can always use any of the 3,142 or 22/7, but I prefer to use the one on your calculator. Dan sê hulle vir jou bewys dat die oppervlakte van die geskakeerde gedeelte gegee word deur daai. Okay, so in other words, what we are basically doing is we are saying the area will be equal to the area of the rectangle minus 2 areas of the circles. Because they're exactly the same circle. So, whatever the area of the circle is, 2 times that, I subtract. Thank you, Livuyo. Okay, so the area of the rectangle will be 100 times 2x minus 2, and this is pi. What will the radius of one of the circles be? X. Remember, if the diameter is 2x, as die deursnee 2x is, dan moet die radius mos net x wees, want dit is gedeel deur 2. Nope, sorry. 2x kwadraat. So this is pi radius squared. En ons 2 van hulle, so ek trek hom 2 keer af. Okay. So this is 200x minus 2 times 22 is 44 op 7x kwadraat. En dis presies wat hulle vir jou gevra het om uit te werk. Okay, so hierdie is 1.1. Dan sê hulle vir jou by 1.2 vir watter waardes van x sal die geskakeerde oppervlakte 'n maksimum wees. Now remember, we're looking for the maximum area. So I already have an expression for area. How do we get maximum? Derivative equal to 0. Yeah, that's what they gave you as well. Do you see? They say show that the area in terms of x is equal to that. Okay. Goed. So now gaan ek gaan en sê, and this is what I told you guys, we'll spend some time on this. They give you ax, or a in terms of x is this. Okay. What are we deriving? Waarvoor is hierdie uitdrukking? Vir wat? Vir die? It's for what? No, just that. What is that an expression for? For area, né? So I'm going to derive area, and in terms of which variable? X. Okay, so you guys remember when I had this, then this is an expression for y. Daar is mos 'n vergelyking vir y. So dan het ek gesê dy in terme van die onbekende wat x is. Maar nou werk ons nie met dy op dx nie. Ons werk met a vir oppervlakte gedeel deur dx because it's in terms of x. Okay. And what is that derivative? 200 minus 88/7. Waar kry ek dit? Ek maal net die 2 met die 44, né? En hy is net x dan vir sy afgeleide. Jy trek mos 1 by die eksponent af. En wat doen ek met hom? Ek stel hom gelyk aan 0. Volg julle? Julle by? Okay, goed, so dan gaan ek sê 200 is gelyk aan 88 op 7x. And then I'm going to divide by, times by 7 on both sides. En ek deel deur 88, dan kyk x is gelyk aan, hy is op julle memo, 15,9 millimeter. Hoe weet ons is millimeter? 2x is in millimeter. Okay. Therefore, for number 3, they ask you to calculate that area now. So ek het nou die waarde van x wat dit moet wees. So ek gaan stel hom net terug. Sien julle, hy tel net 1 punt. Wat beteken dat vir enige reghoeke wat 'n sy het wat 100 mm is, sal jy in daai scenario die grootste oppervlakte hê wat ingekleur is as x gelyk is aan 15,9, and then the area, if you calculate it, will be 1519,91 mm squared. Maar die belangrike deel, die calculus deel, is jy moet weet hoe om die vergelyking op te stel, en jy moet weet vir die maksimum of vir die minimum waarde sê ons afgeleide gelyk aan 0. Okay, let's quickly pause at this. They gave you the expression for the area. Now in your exam papers you had similar questions where it was prove that or show that. You are not allowed to use that and work back from it. If they say prove that something is equal to this, it just means that they want you to be able to work in the next question. Dis net so goed hulle het net vir jou gevra, bereken die area in terme van x. Jy mag glad nie daai antwoord gebruik in jou bepaling daarvan nie. Jy moet daarby uitkom asof hulle dit nie vir jou gegee het nie en dan net sê, okay, myne is dieselfde as dit wat hulle gegee het. Dit gaan daaroor dat as jy nie 1.1 kon doen nie, gaan jy nog steeds 1.2 kan doen. Because you have an expression for the area. Okay. Goed, vir nommer 2 sê hulle vir jou die diagram verteenwoordig 'n reghoekige skildery binne 'n raam met 'n 3 cm buite. The perimeter of the frame measured along the outer edge is 70 centimeters. Kyk, en dan sê hulle vir jou, as die lengte van die geraamde prent soos op die skets getoon x is, wat is sy breedte uitgedruk in terme van x? So, if the perimeter is equal to 70 centimeters, so it's like this. You guys agree? Daai pink lyntjie al die pad om is 70 centimeter. How would I calculate B? Do you guys agree that for a rectangle, 2x plus 2b must be equal to 70 in this case? En dis al wat hulle vir jou vra, jy moet hom nou net in terme van x gaan kry. So you just say that means we're left with 2b is equal to 70 minus 2x. And then I divide everything by 2. So b is equal to 35 minus x. Okay. Everyone happy with that? Verstaan julle almal wat hulle daar gevra het? Ja? Okay. 2.1 sê hulle vir jou toon aan dat die oppervlakte A van die skildery gegee kan word deur dit maal dit. Ag dit. Okay. Once again, you're not allowed to use it at all. You must get that answer. So how do we get area of a rectangle? You guys agree? In this case, it'll be x times b, right? Yeah? Okay, but we don't have, well, for what is it? Vir die skildery. Yeah. For just the frame, or just the picture actually. Vir hierdie gedeelte. Do you guys agree that this part, I'm going to do it there, that this part will be x minus 6? Want hulle het gesê die raam is 3 centimeter breed. So it's 3 centimeters that you subtract on the one side and 3 centimeters that you subtract on the other side. Stem hulle saam? Onthou, hulle vra nou net die oppervlakte van die skildery. They're not looking at the whole thing, they're just looking at that part that's been colored in. Just the picture. Okay? Hoe gaan ons hierdie stuk in terme van x kan doen? That'll be b minus 6, but we've said b we write as, what did we write b as? So this can simplify to 29 minus x. Lebai? Do you see that the frame is 3 centimeters thick? No? So if it's 3 centimeters at the top and 3 at the bottom, and the whole side is b, then it must be b minus the 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. So b minus 6. But now we don't want to work with b, we want to work with only one variable. So what did we say b? 35 minus x. Okay, kom ek doen hom hier vir julle. So that's the area of the total thing. But the area of the picture by altoe van hulle gaan ek 6 gaan aftrek want ek het 3 bo en 3 onder wat ek aftrek of ek het 3 links en 3 regs wat ek aftrek. Okay. En nou het ons verder gegaan en gesê hierdie ene kan ek net so los, maar in hierdie geval wil ek b hê as 35 minus x. And now you simply BODMAS, no not BODMAS, FOIL.